4 minus alpha. Hey, what are you doing? Wait, please don't distract me. I'm this close. Iteration 306 of the gradient method. Wait, stop. Don't you know there's a faster way? Wait, what are you saying? Yeah, let me show you. All this in such a short time. Wow, that's so cool. Yes, and if you stick with it, you'll crush even harder problems, like these. Many problems in applied science and engineering can be described by mathematical models, but very often finding an analytical solution is not feasible. In such cases, numerical methods and their implementation in computer code become essential for obtaining reliable solutions to complex real-world problems. The MOOC, Computational Science and Computational Learning with Python and MATLAB, offers a practical, project-driven path to understanding scientific computing. The MOOC is organized in weeks. Each week presents a different project where coding, mathematics, and modeling come together to tackle applications such as fluid flow, environmental processes, control system, image processing, and machine learning. Through hands-on projects inspired by real problems, using Python and MATLAB, we will build and analyze mathematical models, apply numerical techniques to solve complex equations, and visualize and interpret computational results. Now it's your turn. Join us!